Welcome to our YouTube video showcasing the Wedding Guest Management System, a Django-based project with free source code. In this video, we are excited to present a comprehensive and user-friendly wedding guest management system built using Django. This system aims to simplify the process of managing guest lists, RSVPs, and other essential tasks associated with organizing a wedding or any event. Throughout the video, we will walk you through the features and functionalities of the system, highlighting its ease of use and adaptability for various event management needs. The use of Django ensures a robust and efficient framework, enabling seamless customization and scalability. Additionally, we will guide you through the process of accessing and utilizing the free source code, allowing you to implement this system for your own wedding or event management purposes. With this system, organizing and coordinating your guest list has never been more convenient. As the world has become more dependent on technology, there are now a variety of applications that can be used for weddings, one of which is the Wedding Guest Management System. The Wedding Guest Management System is intended to automate wedding guest management transactions between wedding planners and their clients. The program will be basic in design, allowing wedding planners and their customers to easily list the number of attendees as well as information about them. The app streamlines communication on both ends and contains features that allow you to display images of wedding preparations and arrangements such as the guest list, reception and cuisine, wedding invitation, and other important facts. Wedding Management System aids in the effective planning of a wedding in a simple, efficient, and trouble-free manner. It enables the wedding organizer and client to carefully and correctly record and tally the number of attendees in the wedding, which is critical for other aspects of the wedding. The reception venue, cuisine included, wedding invites, and giveaway are all determined by the amount of guests attending the wedding. The system will efficiently expedite communication between wedding planners and their clients, conduct wedding arrangements meetings, enabling wedding planners to submit example photographs for wedding preparations, and are dependable to carry out wedding planning without physical participation. Overall, the system is a huge assist in making a wedding successful. The following are the core features of the system. Landing page. This page is where the users are redirected when they access or log in to the system. Guest management. This module will allow the admin to manage information of wedding guests in the system. The admin can search, add, edit or delete information of the guest. Save the dates. This module allow management of dates of the wedding encoded in the system. Invitations and RSVPs. This module allow management of invitation and RSVPs details. Guest dashboard. This dashboard serves as the main page of the guests that are registered in the system. Details of the wedding will be displayed in this dashboard. Django is a high-level Python web framework that encourages rapid development and clean, pragmatic design. Built by experienced developers, it takes care of much of the hassle of web development, so you can focus on writing your app without needing to reinvent the wheel. It's free and open source. Visit the official website of Django for more information. Download link is in the description box below. The researchers' goal in this study was to create a system specifically for wedding planners and their clients. The goal of this project is to answer the difficulties and challenges raised by the manual technique. According to the findings of the study, respondents and intended users assess the app favorably in terms of user acceptability, efficacy, quality, productivity, and dependability. The application met the needs and requirements of the study's intended users and respondents. To summarize, the developed system is a useful tool for wedding planners and their clients. In terms of managing guests, the application will efficiently streamline transactions between wedding planners or organizers and their clients. By implementing the system, successful wedding planning will be accomplished in a simple, efficient, and trouble-free manner. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of the Wedding Guest Management System with free source code. We sincerely hope that you found this video informative and insightful. Planning and managing guests for special events can be a complex task, and our goal is to simplify this process for you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content and exciting projects in the world of technology and event management. Your support and engagement inspire us to continue creating innovative solutions and sharing them with our community. We appreciate your time and attention, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content in the future. Thank you once again, and until next time, happy planning and best wishes for your upcoming events.